It's Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on the odor cleaning and also pet stain removal. You can see we got pet stain here, pet stain here. This is what we do when we come in. We do a thorough inspection on the carpet, making sure we get everything off. There we go. Luic staining right here in the middle. All right, a lot of stains here that you can't see. You can't see it at all. Once you put that black light inspection on there, this is what we do in our process. And it shows everything where we're at, you know, little spots and bladders. This person just moved into this home, so we're doing a little spot check on everywhere along inside the home and make sure we get all this up. Now we're going to treat the areas, not all the time, will you be able to see the change or difference with a black light. Only reason being is because it depends on how long the stain's been down. It then turns into an alkaline, and then at that point it's really hard to remove. But like I said, our main concern is the stains, visual that you can see, and then also the odor. As you can see, we're still using our low moisture treatment. If it is very, very bad, which is really not, we have a lot of chemicals now that work great for this. If you've seen any of my other videos, we compare, you know, cleaning carpets or fighting these stains, just like we have the Space Force. The Space Force, if you don't know, is the war in space, or our military force in space. Okay, so if we're fighting wars in space, we can fight them here in your carpet. All right, very simple. Technology gets better. You don't need steam. Steam heats up your carpet, causes wicking, takes forever to dry, and just causes more problems, more bad than good. As you can see, we have a stain here. Just for the video purpose, I'm going to do this stain. And that stain is not going. Okay? Now we're using a double. We're going to be hitting this carpet twice here, just to make sure we show that the odor is removed. We do have a 80% success rate with odor being removed from carpet during this particular method. We do a two-part method, so we're going to be using this pad here. It is very aggressive scrubbing pad. It has pulp here inside of it, and this causes a lot of agitation. Okay? Agitation means scrubbing, you know, the carpets. So we're going to compare that to like washing your hair. Okay, so when you wash your hair, you just don't put the soap in and then, you know, rinse it over. You put the soap in, you scrub it, and let it sit for a little bit, and then you go ahead and start the rinsing process. Same difference here with the carpet, right? You do the same thing. It's applying a soap, a solution, attacking the odor, scrubbing it right in. You can also clean it at the same time here with encapsulation. And then we're going to go back over again with the natural fiber pad, which is going to absorb most of the odor. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, into the part, I think this is actually dry here. Nope, it's still wet over there, so that's what we're checking. As long as it's wet, it's good. I can still doing the clean. So I'm gonna finish up this one. As you can see, all the stains are coming out perfect. That's what you want to see. We're doing a two-part solution. Part of the solution has actual cleaner in it. The other part has the deodorizer. Two different cleaners, two different companies. Okay, and three handle metal. Alright, some guys, some people like to, you know, not mix things or stick to one company, not me. I like to call myself a licensed mixologist. Alright, you're a chemist, and you go ahead and you're doing the cleaners out here. You're finding different solutions that work best for you. Maybe it's one company that does better at one thing, it's another company that does it. That's what makes us different. We try different things. Okay? So, go ahead and scrub that. And I actually want to check to see, just for this video, I see the black light, if those little stains came up here in the middle. So as you can see, that's where we were at with it, in the middle here. No jokes, no gimmicks, nothing like that. We have a few stains that didn't get up all the way. Hopefully they come up with our other process. But remember how bright that was? That shows you that our solution's working. All right, it's clean, it's disintegrating. Like I said, it doesn't happen all the time. In this particular instance, it did come up here a little bit. We're actually going to spray this and retreat this. Can you bring the spray over here, please? We'll spray this, retreat this, get this nice and wet here, because if it comes up a little bit, it should come up a lot, and we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So like I said, you can just check right here, see where I'm at in the video. We're not cheating. Right in the video, this is where we're at with it. We're see it's all depleted in here. And look at that, where's that stain at? All right, completely gone, okay? This is what you're getting when you're working with us, Be Clean Professionals here. My name's Brandon, of course. I'm the owner, operator, and first guy on site. I do have a few employees. We have 5 so far, and all our technicians are all trained wild by me. If anyone knows any job, it's all about how well trained you are, and that's why I'm out on every site here to make sure things are done correctly. All right, so that's what you're getting so far. I'm getting back here, getting ready to finish up these floors, and coming along really well. And I'll show you how we are in the others. Okay. This is our second process here. Not every pad we were using before. Like I told you, I had the hog hair in it. We tucked it down here. Got some hog hair in it. All right, you can see all the extra dander and stuff along the sides on the outside there. That's all dander. This one right here, this is the dirty side. I show the clean side underneath. But this is natural fiber, okay? Natural fiber cotton here. And what this is doing is absorbing it's still cleaning, but not as good as the other. This process technology is a lot better, more efficient. Okay, the things that we're doing. I'm gonna hold off to get that area so we can change the floor direction. I see all these stains are all gone. None of my stains ever come back. They don't ever come back, but if they do, which just never happens, we do have a 48-hour response time. So we'll go ahead and come back out, swing back out. We, depending on the stain, we actually won't bring the bigger machine. We'll bring our polisher, buff it up again. But like I said, that never happens. Okay? But if it does, we have our Butler guarantee to back that up and make sure we make things right with you as a customer. Alright, we care about our customer. You are a working force, and this is a family-owned and operated business here. So we take pride in our service and the work that we do. This owner, her, just moved in. He said he was going to replace the carpets, and that was, I think for this room, they charged him about $2,300. They said we did this cleaning here for $200 because it's a pet odor, one room, but because it's a pet, we do charge extra. So that was $200 to get this done, and I don't know about you, but I'd rather say spend $200 to test it out rather than $1,200 to replace everything because of the damage. So these are the benefits that you get with our company here. We got one more step here we're going to do. We're going to do a thorough vacuum. Go ahead and put the lines in here, which also grooms the carpet too, lifts the fibers up, allow it to air dry. And this carpet will be dry in 1 hour. Stay tuned. All finished. The vacuum is done. All the stains are up here. And we are all complete. This carpet's going to dry in 1 hour. We open up the window because it's a little humid on the second floor. You know, heat rises. And so we're out of here. Stay tuned.